Hello. Today we'd like to show you our listing for a IRAY 17 by 17 DR panel for veterinary use. It's a little bit thicker. This would be hooked into the table full time. It comes with a tethered cord here so that you don't need batteries for the panel. Runs into this connector box, which then has a network cable that will run over to the workstation. So you can put the panel as far away from the box as you want, or put that near the box and run the cable as far as you want. It includes the workstation here, which has this veterinary software on there. And we'll give you a quick demonstration here. I'll take an x-ray. So right now I've got it set up for a dog, and I just picked paw. And you can just continue to take images if you want to just leave it on paw and take more images. So right now it's connected, and so I'm going to hit the acquire button here. We can go ahead and run an image. I will stand behind the lead wall here. It gives you 30 seconds to take the exposure, so it already took the exposure. And I put paw in there because we'll be taking the hand. So it is transferring the image now. And that comes up here and it finishes processing. And there's our image of our hand. It gives you the, I'll just blow that up so you can see a little bit better. Nice images. Gives really good images. So that is the IRAY 1717 DR panel that has veterinary software with it. You can leave that mounted in your table full time and get some nice pictures. We can also talk about packs. We can get you free packs you can attach to it too. So if you have any questions, contact us at vetsxray.com. Thank you.